For that. So, Jeffrey, CEO of Universities Fund, Jeffrey Monari, how did we arrive at these categories? How did we decide who is vulnerable, who is extremely needy? How was this arrived at, and very specifically even with numbers?
This was arrived after doing a lot of simulations and studies over the years based on the data and the students that have been admitted in Kenyan universities and have gone through the loan system and have been awarded over the years for the last 25 years, which HELB has been using the MTI. So we used this MTI to ensure and look at what categories of students do we have who are admitted to the universities. And we established that there are 4 categories, that is vulnerable, extremely needy, needy and less needy. That is how we came up with these categories.
Dr.